Welcome back. Let's do question 1.2. Consider the quadratic pattern. This is the quadratic pattern. Remember, we found that x is equal to 27. So determine a formula of the nth term. So we're finding Tn of the pattern. So the Tn for a quadratic sequence is in the form Tn is equal to an squared plus bn plus c. So we have to find a, we have to find b, we have to find c. Right, there are many methods that we can use, but I'll just use a very simple method that is also fast. We have negative 9 minus 6, 1, 12, 20, 27. We say negative 6 minus negative 9 is 3, like negative 6 plus 9. And then 1 minus negative 6, that's 7. 12 minus 1, that's 11. And then 27 minus 12, that is 15. And then 7 minus 3, that is 4. 11 minus 7, that is 4. Then 15 minus 11, that is 4. To find a, we equate this number, the second difference, to 2a. And then to find b, we equate here the first difference, because these are first differences. So I'll say the first difference to 3a plus b. And then we equate the first term to a plus b plus c. Okay, you have to remember these three. You have to remember them. You're not going to be given in the exam. You have to remember them. So 2a is equal to 4. In that a is equal to 2 after dividing both sides by 2. And then 3a plus b is equal to 3. And then a is 2. So 3 times 2 plus b is equal to 3. Then b is equal to 3 minus 6. This is 6. So we transpose it. We subtract 6 from both sides of the equation. So b is equal to negative 3. Then a plus b plus c is equal to negative 9. 2 minus 3 plus c is equal to negative 9. This is negative 1 plus c is equal to negative 9. And then c is equal to negative 9 plus 1 after transposing this, or adding, after adding 1 on both sides of the equation. So c is equal to negative 8. Therefore, Tn is equal to 2n squared minus 3n minus 8. That's our general term. We can check. Let's check maybe for if Tn is 3 and see if we're going to get 1. Let's say T3 equal to 2, 3 squared minus 3, 3 minus 8. This is 3 squared is 9, 9 plus 2 is 18, minus 9 minus 8. 18 minus 9 is 9, 9 minus 8 is 1. Check before we move on to the next question.